Hello everyone, myself Sadwini MD. I am from first year ECE branch. Startup company Easy Life. Product present in water bottle. Product proposed in Hydrolyte. Empathizing stage. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by customer during the empathizing activity. It should have extra compartment so that we can store anything. It should be compressible so we can adjust the size of the bottle. Defining stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name water bottle, futuristic product name Hydrolyte. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. It should have color changing feature according to temperature. It should contain automatic cleaning system. It should have weather detector. It should be affordable and leakage free. Prototype stage. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing stage. I request the viewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy this testing stage.